take a look at this. It has a no dogs allowed sticker, something I've never seen in a car before. I'm going to tell you guys why in just a sec. What's up guys, Supercar Blondie here in Dubai. This is Bianca. She has flown in from LA to join us on the vid today.
Oh,
nice to have you.
So excited to be here.
Supercar Blondie fam, thank you guys so much for watching. Press that subscribe button right now if you haven't already. We've got some cool stuff to show you. Right, let me take you around this car. Actually, both of us are going to do our little bits and pieces because basically I've decided to just kind of hang back and not do anything. So I've got Bianca here to show you around the car.
I'll show you guys. You guys are gonna
I'm just going to sit here in luxury and just clap and like support you and just be a cheerleader. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
All right, I forgot my pom-poms. Crap, I'm actually going to have to do something. All right. This is the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge Edition.
The first thing that you notice is the whole grille. It is now a black chrome. And the badge here. And the spirit of ecstasy.
Who doesn't like black on black on black on black? Anything black on black on black is kind of just really cool.
And check these babies out. So they upgraded from 21 to 22-inch rims.
Red brake calipers for the first time. Even from the side, you've got the blacked out Rolls-Royce badge. That's usually in silver chrome. Now it's in black. From any angle, they want people around you to be like, dude, that girl's rich. There are some rich guys out there too, but mainly women. We've got these massive, like, intimidating back. $500,000, you guys. That's insane. But for very good reason. I actually think the interior is my favorite.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Should we get it?
It's so quiet inside, you hear nothing.
Yeah. And speed bumps become marshmallows.
Yeah.
Should we get it?
Okay, you can drive.
What was
It's fine.
that? Are you trying to challenge me for the driver's seat?
I love driving.
Dude, did you see that? Straight in the driver's side. So the deal is Bianca actually tracks supercars. So she just goes, she doesn't even bother driving them around on the street like I do. She's like, boom, I'm at the track.
racetrack.
Yeah,
you
you're-
drive.
This to me is, I love yellow accents.
Instead of reaching to grab the door, this is all you gotta do.
Yoink.
That's it.
Even with one door closed,
Yeah.
I
got the
can't hear
sound.
anything. That's madness. In a Rolls Royce, you're too posh to close doors yourself.
You don't lift a finger in this car.
This is one of my favorite things about the Rolls Royce, and in every Rolls Royce you get this feature, is these door close buttons, and I can actually close my own door and the passenger's door from here. I was reviewing a car the other day and I actually had to walk around the car and
Oh, what
close
a
the
dilemma.
passenger's side door, and I was like, what is this? We're in 2020. Who needs to walk around and close passenger side doors? I was quite upset by that. So now I'm back in a Rolls Royce and everything's okay again in the world. Before we move on, a quick shout out to D3 Design District here in Dubai, because they have some of the coolest views in the whole city. Burj Khalifa right there,
So cute.
kind of skyline, downtown skyline, love it. So massive thank you to you. Also to Rolls Royce, thank you so much for giving us the black badge to play around with for a couple of days. So the colour scheme from the outside has been carried through to the inside, as you can see, with this black and yellow interior, same as the exterior. And there are some nice other little details, right, like this
Carbon fiber.
Yeah, and here as well, there's some carbon fibre.
A little bit on the steering.
Yeah, here as well, you're right, and then over here. So you've got all of these extra little details and elements to the interior as well with the black badge. And then you got the engine upgrades.
So this car is a V12, 600 horsepower, goes 0 to 100 kilometers in 5.1 seconds.
Yeah. the standard Cullinan comes in at around 560 horsepower. They also have active suspension, so they've got 2 cameras here on the front of the car, constantly looking at the road ahead of you and what is coming, so that it can actively adjust the suspension, because if it sees some kind of like rugged terrain, suddenly you just throw yourself off the highway into desert, it'll be like, okay, I'm ready, I've prepared the suspension, let's go. So that's a pretty cool feature. And then if you check out what it says here on this little thingamajig, it says low. If you press that, right, it actually goes into what they call like a sports mode. Why is it called low? It's because it sticks to lower gears, so it's going to shift faster. It's not going to shift all the way up into the highest gear and then just kind of sit back and lay around. It'll be actively only using the lower gears.
You could barely hear the horn on this car.
True.
When you honk
I was honking. I was
Yeah,
like,
and I was
where is
like,
it? It's
is
not
it?
going off.
Yeah, you can't hear it.
Wait, let's try it.
Barely.
Did you hear that?
Barely. I wonder if it's got to be way louder out there.
Barely hear the horn.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
This one is a sunroof.
Yeah. And look how massive it is. It goes all the way back.
Basically a convertible.
Huge.
Love it.
But I've never actually seen that. I've never seen a sunroof on a Rolls before, because
Yeah.
usually you see the
there's-
starlight.
So there's an option to have the shooting star on the roof.
Guys.
You know how much that goes for? For that
How much?
one detail? $7,500.
What?
For one shooting star option. I mean, I would do
Totally worth it. Totally worth it. Who's this? Hang on a minute.
I think
Hang on a
they're
minute.
rolling.
Oh, hang on. Oh, she's got a bit of attitude, hey? A G-Wagon Brabus? That's pretty sweet.
Pretending they cannot hear us.
Are they revving the engine
I
right
don't
now?
know, maybe.
I think. Was she?
Imagine that. So Brabus, you can actually get your exhaust tuned, and it has an incredible exhaust note. Like it's quite loud. So let's see if we can even hear them rev. Here we go. All right, give us a rev.
Rev it!
You can kind of hear it. You can.
Yeah,
All right,
like
fine.
very
You can hear
dimly
it. Actually, I'm quite impressed.
But like, let's roll the window down and see how loud it is compared.
Okay,
Rev
do
it
it again.
Okay, that's a big difference.
Yeah, that's a massive difference. This is kind of cool because we've got yellow trim interior and they've got orange. Both black with crazy interior colours. What's up, guys? Oh my god. This is a beast, guys. This is Gracie and Imelda, and they're trying to show off here a little bit, I reckon. Trying to come spoil our fun. We thought we had the coolest SUV. The question is, do we still have the coolest SUV?
Probably not.
You've had a good drive of this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Where'd you get it? Oh, VIP.
VIP.
Okay. Yeah. Massive thank you to VIP Motors. Awesome dealership here in Dubai. They've got the coolest stuff. So, Brabus G-Wagon.
Yeah, G800 to be exact.
Wide star as well.
Wide Star.
Wow.
Yeah, we can show you.
G800. So,
So impressed.
are you saying that? So, you've got a car with 800 horsepower?
Yeah, exactly.
Haven't you got 600?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
All right, you win this round. This one goes for how much?
$260,000 US.
$360,000. Our Rolls Royce Cullinan Black Badge, entry level price, $500,000. So
yeah.
there's a little bit of a price difference there.
Is that because you guys couldn't get the G900?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so yeah, if you'd gotten your hands on that one, that's more expensive than the Rolls Royce Cullinan Black Badge. How much does it go for?
$700,000.
A G-Wagon for $700,000, you guys, that's mad. Okay, right, we'll just have to put up with your G800 for now, hey? Look, I'm bagging it, but only because I can, because I know there's a version with 100 horsepower more. But this is actually, I am impressed. It looks pretty damn cool, I have to say. One thing that I've just noticed straight away is you have matching brake calipers to
I
the
like
interior.
Yeah, as opposed to the normal, just standard Mercedes one, it adds on an extra 4 inches to the width of the car.
You know what? We've got 23-inch wheels, and on the Rolls Royce they they got only 22-inch wheels.
This. Okay. Is it? Damn, they're trashing our rolls. How can you trash a rolls? It's not possible. I'm gonna, okay. You guys do your thing. We'll get you back in a minute. Yeah, we'll get you back. This is why this car is worth $500,000.
It's classic for a reason.
Come on over, guys. We have beautiful suicide doors on the back. You've got the carbon fiber still running through the details here in the back. Even this wool, lamb's wool mat, this is $1,500 just for this. So everything's like an option, but I don't think you'd want a Rolls Royce without the lamb's wool mat.
You have to. If you take off your shoes, this is the softest thing.
So soft, it's ridiculous. So you've got that, and then that's just the tiniest most basic little feature.
This is my favorite part.
Whoa. What?
It's
Oh,
a mini
hello.
No way.
Do you guys have this?
I
don't think most cars have that.
A crystal canister for champagne? Champagne, anyone? Okay.
But it gets better because there's not one fridge.
Oh wow.
More room for drinks.
Yeah.
This one is just room temperature though, so you got two different options.
That's pretty cool. You've got these little tables here, little button over here, and then if you pay extra, you get these screens in the back as well, so you've got a full
That's why I
infotainment.
love this. You can also control like what the driver's doing up there by this. The radio,
Yeah,
the maps. You could add maps and put it in there.
Everything
so you
in
don't
here.
have to talk to the driver.
That's pretty good. No, who wants to talk to the driver? No.
You don't do anything in this car.
And then the other thing, you guys, is you've got these curtains here as well. And then, of course, you've got the door close buttons in the back as well, and it's right here by your head. There's just one thing I don't like about the back seat. Opening this door, it is seriously heavy, and it's awkward. And you don't want any kind of awkwardness and heaviness when you buy a Rolls Royce. Now, the reason is that if you own this car, someone's probably always going to open the back seat for you.
And so if I was a chauffeur and I opened the door for you, it's an umbrella. So you don't have to get wet, you don't lift a finger. I open the door.
It's pretty fancy.
It's pretty fancy. I love that. That's one of my favorite things.
This infinity symbol, you kind of see it around and about the car. Yeah, it's here as well, exactly. This refers to a speedboat in the 1930s that was run on Rolls-Royce engines, and it actually broke a world speed record. So that kind of throws back to the history of Rolls-Royce and just how powerful Rolls-Royce engines have been for quite some time. So you've got that nice little reminder here of what is under the hood. Look, glass.
Oh yeah.
So there is a partition between you and the suitcases in the back, because who wants to hear what's rummaging around in the back? Now you guys look up here. It has a no dogs allowed symbol. Right? You guys are all dog lovers.
Because of this glass partition here, it's sealed off, so there's no air coming in.
I hope they tell owners as soon as they sell the car to them, listen guys, this is why we have this no dog symbol, is because they literally won't be able to breathe in the back. What? Nothing. That's nothing.
Wait
No.
for it. It
Hang
gets
on.
better. You want to do the
No,
honors?
you do the honors. Go for it.
Oh wow.
Do you know what
I
this
didn't
is?
expect that, to be honest.
And what is this?
Keeps getting better.
Crazy. This is a picnic seat. You have to actually manually lift the back of the seat. Bit disappointing, honestly, but pretty
This
cool.
is when you bust out those champagne glasses in the front.
You pop them on this, okay? Ooh, nice little whiskey glasses for the girls. There you go. You have a pop on that chair because I want you to feel how freaking special that is. All right, so now you're having a picnic in the back of your Rolls Royce.
So now let's have a look at how fast this baby goes. It accelerates from 0 to 100 in 4.1 seconds. And take a look at how it's lifting. It's insane.
Alright, I think that's it. That was pretty great. That's it. Massive thank you to Bianca for coming over,
thank you so much.
doing the review with us. Also to Imelda and Gracie in the G-Wagon, the Brabus G, that was super cool. We just saw